Alright, YouTubers, I am back. I finally got my Cons of Tarkir Fat Pack, so we're going to open this up today and see what it's all about. I've been really looking forward to this. This is the first time I got out to the store to get it. Take off the paper. So we got the guide here. Lists all the cards and a little bit of info on the theme. I enjoy reading these. Alright, got our box, take it apart. Pack 1, pack 2. We got our deck boxes here. Put those aside. Alright, so let's open it up. First one, let's see what's going on. So here we are, we have just our basic lands. A real assortment there. Put those off to the side. Alright, time for the good stuff. This is what I like. Okay. Let's see, focus here. Alright, so first card is the Treasure Cruise, but let's skip on over to our uncommons. Alright. Abzan Battle Priest. Opulent Palace. Teamer Charger. And a rare one is Abzan Ascendancy. When Abzan Ascendancy enters the battlefield, put a 1/1 counter on each creature you control. Whenever a non-token creature you control dies, put a 1/1 white spirit token with flying onto the battlefield. Alright, so its mana cost is 1 white, black, and green. I guess it's an alright card. Let's see what's in number 2. Alright. Yesterday I opened up some booster packs and I found some good stuff inside, but today I'm hoping to get some of those fetch lands that come in the pack. So first one is, uncommon is Winter Flame, Gurmag Swiftwing. Oh, let's let that focus a bit. Dragon's Eye Savants. And a rare card is a Rattleclaw Mystic. Alright, so for 2 mana, add mana to your pool. You know, it's not bad. Oh, look at that. We have a foil Tagam Scheming. Cool. Alright, number 2. Alright, so our first uncommon is Burn Away. Next we have the Sandstep Citadel. Teamer Charger. And for a rare, we have an Utter End. So it says exile target non-land permanent. Okay. Oh, and the Spirit Warrior token. Okay. Pack number 4. Alright, first uncommon. So it's River Wheel Aerialist. Secret Plans. Nomad Outpost is our land. And Jiren Instigator is our rare. So this is let's get a good focus on that. So it has Morph, and it costs 2 to play. Then we have a Forest Land. Another Spirit token. Okay. Next set of boosters. Put the life counter aside. That's our tips. So let's see. Alright. So first uncommon is, let's see if we can get that, Chief of the Scale. Next one is, let it focus a bit, Suppression Field. Let me fix this. We seem to be getting a glare. Alright. Next one is Dead Drop. And our rare is Herald of Offensa, Human Soldier. So it has Outlast. And whenever you activate it, put a 1/1 creature token onto the battlefield. For 1 drop, that's not too bad. Okay, and we have Plains Foil. On Plains Land. Another Spirit Warrior token. Okay. So far it's not too bad, but I'd like to get some more interesting things in here. Alright, so for our first uncommon, we got the Teamer Charm. Let's let that focus a bit. Dragon's Eye Savants. Teamer Charger. And this one here is the Ash Cloud Phoenix. And I think this one's a mythic card, yeah. Look at that. Okay, so this creature is flying. And when Ash Cloud Phoenix dies, return it to the battlefield face down. Morph. You may cast this card face down as a 2/2 creature for 3. Turn it up face time anytime for its morph cost. When Ash Cloud Phoenix is turned up, face up, it deals 2 damage to each player. Pretty cool. And Forest Land. Alright, so that wasn't too bad. Let's see what's in this one. Alright. So our first uncommon is I gotta get a better webcam here. It's not focusing so well. First one is Hordling Outburst. Merrick Nightblade. Ice Feather Aven. Alright, and a rare is another Jeering Instigator. So we already seen that one before today. And a Mountain Land. Okay, 2 more to go. Alright, first uncommon is Seek the Horizon. Secret Plants. Warden of the Eye. And a rare is Trail of Mystery. So this is an enchantment. Whenever a face-down creature enters the battlefield under your control, you may search your library for basic land card. Reveal it, put it in your hand, then shuffle. It costs 2 to play. Whenever a permanent you control is turned face up, if it's a creature, it gets +2/2 to the end of turn. I guess that's alright. And an island. Alright, final booster here. And we have a Winter Flame. Kiraru Bloodsucker, Dragon's Eye Savants, and Sarkhan the Dragonspeaker. That's not a bad card at all. Wow. Planeswalker. I like that. Not a bad end to this booster box opening. So, until end of turn, Sarkhan the Dragonspeaker becomes a legendary 4/4 red dragon creature with flying, indestructible, and haste. Sarkhan the Dragonspeaker deals 4 damage to target creature, and you get an emblem at the beginning of your draw step. Draw 2 additional cards. At the beginning of your end step, discard your hand. Not bad at all. Okay. Excellent. A forest land and a goblin token. Alright, so not a bad fat pack opening. I got some good cards in here, and I'm looking forward to playing. So let me know what you guys think. And until next time, bye.